Hello engineers, what are you doing? Nothing. So come with me guys. Today we are discussed about differentiate between function oriented and object oriented modeling. This is a topic in software engineering and most important for our university exam. So first of all aspect is approach, function oriented and object oriented. So function oriented decomposes system into functions and objective oriented decomposes system into object. Second aspect is abstractions achieved by breaking down the system into smaller functions, and the object oriented achieved by grouping similar attributes and behavior into object. Third aspect is reusability, generally less reusable than object oriented modeling and generally more reusable than function oriented modeling. Fourth aspect is intensibility, general less intensible than object oriented modeling and generally more extensible than function oriented modeling. Modularity, generally less modular than object oriented modeling and generally more modular than function oriented modeling. Coupling, functions are generally more tightly coupled and objects are generally more loosely coupled. Inheritance not applicable, and in object oriented supports inheritance, allowing object to inherit attribute and behavior from other object. Eighth one aspect is polymorphism, in function oriented not applicable and the object oriented support polymorphism, allowing object to have multiple forms or behaviors. Ninth aspect is encapsulation, in function oriented modeling not as emphasized and in object oriented modeling support emphasized, allowing object to hide their internal details and expose only necessary information. Last and tenth aspect is example, in function oriented example C, COBOL, Fortran and Pascal, and the object oriented modeling example Java, C++ and Python. This is a differentiate between function oriented and object oriented. If you like my video, so please do like and share. Thank you.